Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix USB not working on Windows 11. And now, let's get started. If your USB devices are not functioning correctly on Windows 11, whether you are using a Dell computer or any other brand, there are a couple of straightforward solutions you can try. Begin by right-clicking on your Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Here, click on Check for Updates or any other available options in the right pane to ensure your system is updated to the latest version. This often resolves driver-related issues. Once your system is up to date, the next crucial step is to update your drivers manually. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. In the Device Manager window, scroll down and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. Locate the USB root hub entries. Right-click on each one and select Update Driver. Repeat this process for all USB root hub drivers listed. This step is often very effective in resolving USB connectivity problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.